Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can delete your Badoo account. So you have a Badoo account that you used to use for online dating, and now you want to delete that account for some reason but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to delete your Badoo account in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to delete your Badoo account is open your Badoo application. If you don't have the Badoo application, what you can do is you can download it from the Play Store or the App Store according to your mobile device. Once you have the Badoo application, what you need to do is open that application. Once you open that application, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to delete. If not, go ahead and log into that account. Once you log into that account, you'll land an interface like this. Now from here, in order to delete the account, what you need to do is tap on the accounts icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you'll land on your profile. Now from here, what you need to do is tap on the settings icon on the top left corner. Now once you go into your settings, what you need to do is tap on the accounts option. Once you tap on the accounts option, you'll see an interface like this. Now from here, what you need to do in order to delete your account is choose this option on the bottom of the screen labeled as delete account. Tap on that option. Once you tap on that option, what you need to do is choose delete your account option on the bottom, then tap on continue. Once you tap on the continue button, you'll see an interface like this. Now here you'll be asked to change your mind if you want to use free Badoo Premium in order to stay in Badoo, but if you don't want to do that, what you want to do is on the bottom you'll see an option labeled as no delete my account. Tap on that option. Once you tap on that option, you will be asked to select a reason why you want to delete your Badoo application. So choose one of those reasons. Once you do that, what you want to do is tap on the delete account button. Once you tap on the delete account button, you'll successfully delete your Badoo account permanently. So those were the simple steps in order to delete your Badoo account in very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.